Hello Tiny Tot Buddies! Ang i-review natin ngayon ay Cetaphil, Unilove, and Tiny Buds Baby Lotion. Actually, these products have a lot of reviews online na, but of course, we would like to share our honest assessment to these baby lotions. For the top 3 things to consider on choosing our baby lotion, we always consider the quality, safety, and effectiveness. So, samahan nyo kami on this review to find out if quality, safe, and effective ba ang mga lotion na ito. Our first on the list is this Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion. Both of these variants ay napagamit na namin kay baby. So for this Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion, this one has shea butter, vitamin E, and pro-vitamin B5 that helps moisturize and nourish baby's skin. Ginagamit namin to kay baby simula nung newborn siya hanggang sa mag 4 months old. For the consistency, it has lightweight consistency and it can be easily absorbed by the skin. That is why madali lang i-apply at i-spread sa balat. And since it is gentle, pwede rin itong gamitin both on body and face. It is also paraben-free, hypoallergenic, dye-free, and cruelty-free. By the way, this Cetaphil Baby is not fragrance-free as indicated in its ingredients, but it is mildly scented and it smells so clean. So this is another variant of Cetaphil Baby. It has organic calendula and infused with sweet almond and sunflower oil to moisture and nourish baby's skin. Its consistency is also lightweight and can be easily spread on the skin, making it easy to be absorbed. Pwede rin itong gamitin both on body and face, and it is also paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and dye-free, and cruelty-free. Like the other variant, it also not fragrance-free, but it is mildly scented as well. Now let us talk about this Tiny Buds Rice Baby Lotion. It is one of the most trending baby lotion online here in the Philippines. It has natural rice essence, vitamin B and E that helps moisturize and nourish the skin. It is sulfate and paraben-free and has lightweight consistency, which makes it easy to apply on the skin and without sticky feeling. Like Cetaphil, it is also not fragrance-free but mildly scented too. Moving forward to this Unilove Vegan Baby Lotion. This one has plant-derived esculent that helps moisturize and nourish the skin. And as you can see on the ingredient, it also has fragrance. And this smells like a sweet praise tree. And it is also paraben-free, hypoallergenic, dye-free, and cruelty-free. For its consistency, it is slightly thicker and not absorbed fast by the skin. Since parang medyo oily siya compared to Cetaphil and Tiny Buds. Kaya hindi rin siya ganun kabilis talaga mag-absorb ng balat. Comparing the 3 lotion, lahat sila ay paraben-free, hypoallergenic, dye-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and lahat sila may fragrance din. Pero yung Cetaphil and Tiny Buds, mildly scented, while yung Unilove, sweet scent siya. Talagang sweet. And for the absorption rate, mabilis lang ma-absorb ng skin si Cetaphil and Tiny Buds kasi lightweight nga sila at madaling i-spread. Unlike si Unilove, medyo oily and creamy, so hindi siya ganong kabilis ma-absorb ng balat. And yes, all of them are nourishing. And for the EWG health ratings, pinaka-low risk sa kanila is si Cetaphil, which is 88% low risk. That's why I love Cetaphil. So here's our rating for this baby lotion. Unilove 8/10, Tiny Buds 8/10, and Cetaphil 10/10. That's all for our baby lotion review. Do you have any suggestion of lotion brand that has good quality, safe, and effective for babies and toddlers? See you in the comment section and let us help other parents